KTM set to integrate Android Automotive in upcoming motorbikes soon. KTM is set to launch a new motorbike featuring Android Automotive, allowing users to utilize third-party apps like music streaming and navigation on the bike's infotainment screen. This integration aims to provide navigation for motorbike riders, making it easier to access essential apps on the go. KTM recently announced the latest communication control unit for its latest TFT dashboard in horizontal and vertical both avatars, which will be integrated into its forthcoming bike. The bike will consist of a few significant upgrades over its predecessor, such as 32 GB of internal storage, 3 GB of RAM with improved connectivity specs such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and most importantly, CCU will let TFT infotainment display to run Android Automotive. Moreover, KTM is also set to incorporate offline map navigation into the CCU, offering real-time navigation without being synced to any smartphone that will accurately guide you through the routes with pre-programmed points of interest and more.